Welcome to the world of irresistible appeal greetings. Are you curious about the kinds of women that capture the hearts of men? If so, you're in for a treat. We're here to divulge the insights into the 11 most captivating types of women, backed by relationship experts. Men have their preferences, but there are universally appealing qualities that pique their interest. By understanding these traits, you can unlock your own irresistible charm and attract the right kind of attention. Let's explore these enchanting characteristics that make men fall head over heels. Unveiling the 11 types of women men adore. 11. The self-respecting woman. Among the types of women that men genuinely adore is the self-respecting woman. She exudes confidence, embracing her self-worth and setting boundaries that reflect her value. She won't settle for less than equality and respect, promptly stepping away from situations that don't honor her. When a man witnesses her self-respect, he's inspired to emulate the same behavior. Her confidence is magnetic, and being with someone who knows her worth becomes a foundation for a strong, healthy relationship. 10. The upbeat woman. Amid various types of women, the upbeat woman shines bright. She's the beacon of positivity, always seeing the silver lining and bringing out the best in others. Her optimistic outlook is unwavering, regardless of life's challenges. People are drawn to her positive energy, finding solace in her uplifting presence. Her ability to make everyone feel cherished is truly remarkable, making her irresistible to men seeking a partner who radiates positivity. 9. The confident and independent woman. Imagine combining confidence with independence. This blend creates a woman that men can't resist. She knows her aspirations and chases them with determination. Her self-sufficiency is striking. She treasures her alone time and doesn't seek constant validation. Such independence only adds to her allure, as men are drawn to her confident aura. 8. The witty woman. Are you a connoisseur of laughter? If so, your witty nature is incredibly alluring. Men adore women who can conjure laughter. It's a sign of confidence and authenticity. Being able to laugh at oneself is particularly attractive, revealing a lack of self-consciousness. Your humor can be a bridge to a man's heart. After all, a shared chuckle can forge a special bond. 7. The devoted woman. Loyalty speaks volumes about character and values. Men are captivated by women who exhibit unwavering loyalty. This trait showcases reliability and trustworthiness, qualities that underscore her commitment. A devoted woman stands by her partner during challenges and celebrations alike, serving as both confidant and partner in crime. Loyalty weaves the fabric of a strong bond, providing security and maintaining the spark in a relationship. 6. The visionary woman. Do you dream big and chase your aspirations relentlessly? If so, you're the ambitious woman that men find irresistible. Your drive and motivation resonate deeply, inspiring men to pursue their own goals. An ambitious woman is an invaluable partner who encourages growth and supports her significant other in becoming the best version of themselves. 5. The relaxed woman. Men cherish the company of laid-back women for various reasons. Their easygoing nature eliminates unnecessary drama, making interactions enjoyable and stress-free. Comfortable in their skin, they require minimal external validation. These women are great listeners and adept at navigating conversations, ensuring open communication in relationships. 4. The supportive woman. Few qualities are as appealing as a woman who wholeheartedly supports her partner's dreams and aspirations. A supportive woman uplifts her man even during challenging times, offering encouragement and unwavering belief in his abilities. As a reliable sounding board, she provides valuable insights while maintaining respect and empathy. 3. The authentic woman. The allure of authenticity is undeniable. A natural woman appreciates life's simple pleasures, unburdened by materialism. Confident and self-assured, she doesn't conform to societal standards of beauty, valuing her unique qualities. Her genuineness is a beacon, reflecting self-assurance that resonates with men seeking depth and substance. 2. The intellectually stimulating woman. Intelligence holds a magnetic appeal. Research shows that men are drawn to women they perceive as intellectually stimulating. This perception often stems from seeing such women as challenging and stimulating companions. Intelligence also signifies independence and competence, qualities that men find deeply attractive. 1. The enigmatic woman. Surprisingly, mystery is an enticing quality for men. The enigmatic woman draws them in as they revel in uncovering her layers. A touch of mystery sparks intrigue, making her all the more captivating. However, balance is key. Too much mystery might convey disinterest. A well-calibrated aura of mystery ignites curiosity and keeps the chase alive. In closing, unveiling the beauty within each individual is unique, and there's no one-size-fits-all formula for attracting men. Embrace your individuality and let your authentic self shine. Remember, the right person will appreciate you for who you are. Share this post with others if you found it helpful. Let's make the world a better place together. Thank you for exploring the captivating world of irresistible appeal.